guys so Meryl can get content. Yeah. I need to convert it to decimals.
So when you want to convert it to decimals, where do you put the decimal point? So it should be equivalent to whatever you have written. So 10. How? 10. Point. You don't even need to put the just the decimal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
Print what?
To print the S range, the digits between 0
Well, you need to tell the computer what you want to print. You just wrote print.
so just put print 10. Okay.
Does it ask you to print each one separately?
Yes.
Okay, then you're good, yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.
I'm not quite sure why you have to say val equals A if you already said A equals F of val.
Okay, so your val, okay, when you're saying A is equal to F of val, what does that mean? What are you trying to say?
Like A equals like the function of val, like 3.
Of 3. Okay, so when that happens, you get a new number, right? So let's say your function is 2 of x, right? So what is your val?
Wait, it's a function is 2 of them.
What does val mean? When you start with val, what are you trying to say? That val is your initial value?
Yes.
Yes. So your function, which is your f, right? It's 2 of x, let's say. Your val is 3, right? You're starting with 3. So 2 of x, which is basically 2 of 3, is 6, right? So now a is equal to what? 6. Now when you say val is equal to a, you're saying val is equal to 6, right? So what happens if you repeat your function again?
And it'll change again, so val changes.
Val changes to what? So you are taking val and giving it a new value now, right? And what does this worksheet have to do with its iterations, right? So what you want to do is to change your val every time you get a result. So you're able to do iterations, okay? So when you write a is equal to f of val, what you're trying to say is that a is equal to 6, and then you're doing val is equal to 6. So now, instead of val being 3, which you started with, your val is now 6. So then it's 6. After that, it's 12. So it continues the iterations. In order to continue your iteration, you need this line, these 2 lines. Now, in the coming questions, it will ask you to combine and compact these 2 lines into one.
Okay.
Can you do it right now? How would you do it out? Instead of writing A equal F of val and val is equal to A, how can you put them together into one line of code?
I don't know.
Okay, let's look at it as other variables. A is equal to B, C is equal to A. How can you put them together?
B equals C.
Okay, so what is your B in this case?
F of val.
What is your C?
Val.
So,
So just A equals.
forget A, we want to take A out. A out.
okay.
You just said it.
Oh, val equals F.
equal F. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
How many minutes is it? How many minutes is it? Oh, 60?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pause for